In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trailing stop order on Robinhood, whether you're new to investing or just looking to better manage your trades. Understanding how to use a trailing stop order is a great way to automate the selling process and potentially maximize your profits while limiting losses. Let's start by opening up the Robinhood app on your phone, or if you prefer, you can use the Robinhood website on your computer. Once you're on the main page, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials. This will take you to your portfolio, where you can see your current holdings and account information. Next, you'll want to identify the stock you'd like to set up a trailing stop order for. You can use the search bar at the top of the page and simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock. Once you see it in the search results, tap or click on it to view its details. Here, you'll see information like the current price, charts, and recent news about the company. Now, to get started with the order, look for the Trade button. It's usually displayed prominently on the stock's detail page. Give that a tap or a click, and then select the Sell option since you're looking to put in a sell order using a trailing stop. At this point, you'll be able to choose your order type. Tap or click on the area labeled Order Type and select Trailing Stop from the list of choices. A trailing stop order is unique because instead of selling your shares at a fixed price, it tracks the stock's highest price and will automatically sell if the price drops by a specific amount or percentage you set, the trailing amount. You'll now be prompted to set this trailing amount. This can be either a dollar value or a percentage. For instance, if you set a trailing amount of $2, the order will follow the stock price upwards and only trigger a sale if the price falls $2 from its highest point. Take a moment to consider what amount works best with your strategy and risk tolerance. After you've chosen your trailing amount, it's time to decide how many shares you want to sell. You can enter any amount up to what you currently own. Double check the number, as selling the right quantity is important. Now, before submitting, review your order details. Make sure all your settings, the stock, the trailing amount, and the number of shares are correct. If everything looks good, tap or click the Submit button to officially place your trailing stop order. And that's it. Your trailing stop order is now active, and Robinhood will monitor the stock for you. This is a powerful tool for taking the emotion out of selling and helping you stick to your plan. Thanks for watching and happy investing.